welcome to the Journey into You Tarot with me, Tarusha Saxena. If you are new over here, be sure to subscribe to this channel if you like my content. And this is an absolutely open reading, and let's see what messages universe have for you, especially for your relationship. Any guidance, any messages, any warning signs, or any news that the universe wants to give you through this reading. We will first see the guidance from the universe, followed by a detailed tarot from the universe. So let's get started. So Leos, let's see what guidance do these cards want to give you for this reading. Guidance for Leos. Okay, this card just flung by. Okay, very interesting. Leos, you've got the guidance which says understanding Leos. Even for Cancers, I finished Cancers some time back, and Cancers also got the same card, which is the understanding. And for you, again, universe wants you to know that whatever situations and circumstances you have in front of you, before jumping down to conclusions, before any assumptions, or before anything, you need to understand the situation from all the possible scenarios. All right, so now let's see what guidance do we have from our tarot cards. Okay, so what messages does universe wants to give my Leos through this reading? Messages for Leos. Okay, I'll just do this one shuffle and then we will take out the cards for Leos. Leo, you've got the first card, which is the World card, the Ace of Rods, and you've got the Page of Rods, Leo. I'm sorry, I moved the camera. Okay, so Leos, you've got the World card, the Ace of Wands, and the Page of Wands. Very clearly, this goes to show Leos very clearly that universe wants you to know that whatever hard work you have put in this relationship, this is going to be the time when you are going to reap the benefits and rewards of all the hard work that you have put in your relationship. All right, Leos. And very, very clearly, there is a sign that, you know, in case if you're planning to do something new with your partner, in case if you want to, in case if you're single and you're planning to approach somebody, okay, this is specifically for singles that I'm telling, that in case if you like somebody, all right, and if you want to approach them, then this probably is going to be the good time for you to go and approach them. Do mind this, that if you have stumbled upon this video, this message is meant for you, so do not ignore it. There is a reason why you clicked on this video and you're watching and listening to this right now. So universe is telling you through this reading that you have to go and approach this person. All right, because there is very clearly something new coming up for you. And for all those people who are already in a relationship, there is something new that you want to try out in your relationship, whether it is, you know, the way you are with each other. You want to probably get into something new together. It could be a hobby, a passion, some skill. It could be anything, but there is something that you want to start new in your relationship and you're pretty excited about it. This is something which is very creative. I don't know why, but you know, I'm getting some hints about some intimate stuff that you want to be really be wacky about, that you want to really try out. I don't know why my mind is running so wild and I'm getting that feeling, but yes, it could be something with regard to that as well. Who knows? It's between universe and you, so who am I? Okay, let's see what messages do you have further. So you've got 8 of Pentacles, you have got the Magician card, and you've got the 2 of, oh my god. So are we looking at marriage? Have you been thinking about marriage? I don't know, Leos, you need to see that. But in case if you have been thinking about marriage or taking your relationship to the next level, this probably is going to be the good time, because you've waited for a very long time, like a really long time. You've put in a lot of hard work into this relationship, and you are now going to be attracting marriage like nobody's business. Like, you are going to be so intuitive, so magnetic, and so powerful spiritually this in this coming few months, that you're going to attract whatever you want in terms of your relationship, whether it is about getting a new relationship, getting into a new relationship, or whether it is about taking your relationship to the next level. All right, you are going to manifest whatever you want with respect to this particular relationship. So make sure that when you have this power to manifest, you put it to the right use. Okay, let's see what else do we have for you, Leos. You've got the Two of Rods, you've got the Ace of Cups, and you have got the Two of Swords. Okay. You've got the Two of Rods. I don't understand why there is some confusion. I see some kind of confusion. Okay, I get it now. I get it now. So what I see, Leo, that you might be getting into a situation, or you might be putting yourself into a situation where, sometimes in life we are pulled between what we want to do and what we should do. Yeah, so this could be a scenario like that. For example, what you want to do is probably marry this person, but what you should do is listen to your parents and get married where they want to get married, you to get married. So, it could be a dilemma and a decision between these two options that you might be making. But I think deep down in your heart, you know what you want. And eventually, I think it's up to you how to solve the situation, because universe has given you the guidance of understanding. So you do understand the situation. You do understand your parents. You do understand this person. You do understand the situation, and you very well understand what you want, what your heart wants. So the universe wants to tell you through this reading that instead of making things complicated, what you can do is, since you know what is it that you are expected to do, and you also know what is it that you want to do, try to find a midway where both these scenarios meet and make things work for you, as well as, so that what you should do and what you want to do mix somewhere, and everybody gets what they want, and you get what your heart wants. So this was your reading, Leos. I hope it resonated with you. And I would love to read your comments in the comment section about this reading, and if it helped you, how did it help you? What is going on in your relationship? How are you planning to take it forward? And what was the result? I would love to read your experiences. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that so far. And I'll see you guys very, very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.